A little pink pill to help women's libidos could become a big reality today. An FDA decision on whether to approve the drug is expected in the next few hours. But as we've shown you, controversy surrounds flibanserin. Our Dr. Tara Narula is a cardiologist at Lenox Hill Hospital in New York City, and she joins us at the table this morning. Hey, Tara.
Good morning.
So the decision we're expecting before noon today, what do you think it's going to be, and why is it so controversial?
That's right. So this drug was turned down in 2010 and again in 2013. But in June of this year, an advisory panel did recommend in an 18-6 vote that it be approved with some caveats. 88% of the time, the FDA will follow its panel's recommendation, so it's likely that it will be approved. If it is approved, it will be a drug that's labeled for premenopausal women with HSDD, hypoactive sexual desire disorder, where low sexual desire causes distress.
Isn't it basically just an antidepressant, though? I mean, when I read the information here, you take it every day, you don't take it before sex. It's not like Viagra. It's not about addressing the plumbing. It seems to be about addressing a mental state.
Exactly. So it was originally studied as an antidepressant, but failed to be useful as an antidepressant. But they did find an increase in sex drive, as reported by the subject. So this drug works centrally in the brain. It changes the norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin levels. You take it every day, and it takes a couple weeks for it to really reach peak effect. That's very different from Viagra, which changes the blood flow to the genital organs. You take it at the time of intercourse, and the effects occur very rapidly.
So why is it so controversial then?
It's actually a fascinating issue, and you know there are arguments for both sides. So critics really argue that it has modest efficacy, that it's not much better than a placebo drug, that the side effect profile is a little bit risky. It can cause things like low blood pressure, sleepiness, dizziness, especially when used with alcohol and some other drugs, and that maybe we're throwing a drug at a problem that doesn't necessarily need it to be treated medically, and it may be at risk for off-label use in women who don't have HSDD. On the other hand, you have supporters who say this is a big unmet need. Women are suffering. We need to offer them something. And there are a lot of drugs out on the market that have similar side effects, but we leave that risk-benefit analysis at to the discretion of the physician and the patient to make that decision.
But did anything change between the examination in 2010, 2013, and what's expected today?
So the pharmaceutical company did provide some more safety data and some other research to the FDA. So there was more information this time around.
Well, we'll be watching it closely. Dr. Tara Narula, thank you.